So many people take advantage of Viewpoint. I bring you another update today, and this is more of like Viewpoint, but it's more upgraded. This particular update tends to makes you to be able to withdraw once you're able to get to 1,500 points, which is equivalent to £7, like 7 GBP. Okay, so we're going to head over to that particular platform now. So if today happens to be your first time of coming across this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel and then give us a like, and then let's go, guys. So do well to turn on the notification bell as well, so that we can get all these things in go. So one thing you are going to know first, one thing you need to know first with this, you need to get a proxy or you get a VPN. Okay, so you need a proxy or a VPN, and also you need a UK number or a US number, most especially if it is already opened with a WhatsApp. So that would be more preferable. Try to open a WhatsApp account with it. Okay, so I'm going to be heading over to connecting my proxy now. Okay, so let me head over to connecting my proxy. All right, so sorry, so I'm going to connect my proxy. Okay, it's already on. Okay, it's already on. So if I could turn it off and then turn it on again. Okay, so my proxy is connected. If you are in need of a proxy, you need maybe a UK proxy or a VPN, you can do well to, the WhatsApp group community for my people is actually shown. So you can click on the WhatsApp community link in the description, so you can join and then you can ask for your own proxy. You can get a proxy from us, okay, or whichever. You can get a proxy and a VPN from us. Okay, just make sure you click on the WhatsApp link that is in the description, okay, of this video. So do that. All right, so I'll be heading over to my Play Store. Right now. All right, so this is Play Store. All right, guys, so the moment you get to your Play Store, you need to know one thing. If your Play Store is a Nigerian Play Store, what do I mean? Like your Google account, like the Google account, the Gmail at which you entered into your Play Store is a Nigerian account, you might probably need to use the proxy or a VPN to create a new Gmail account, so that you'll be able to get this particular application I want to show you, because without that application you might not be able to download it, because the application is not based in any African country. So it's only based in US and the UK. So you can actually use a VPN or a proxy to create a Gmail and then upload that into your Google Play Store. Okay, so I'm going to change this my very Play Store Google account to the one I actually have. There's a foreign email account already. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Alright, so I'm going to switch account. So if I switch account here, you're going to see now you can see this interface down here. Okay, this is more than the menu and the features that are on my local Play Store account. All right, so you can see that. So if you can see game, app, search, books, and view. So what I'm going to do next is to click on this search button. So clicking on the search button, I'm going to type in this particular application, Reverb Bounties and Rewards. Okay, so you're going to click on search. Alright, so this is the very particular applications we are going after. Okay, so we're going to be clicking on install. Okay, just wait for it. So click on continue. Yours might not show this, but then so once you get to this interface, click on skip. Okay, click on skip. It's going to install automatically. Alright, so let's wait for it. Okay, so let me click on install again now. Alright, so it is going now. Just wait for it. Okay, finally it has been installed. So what I'm going to click on is I'll click on open. Okay, so let's wait for it. All right, so this is where we are now. Remember the other time I said that you will need either a US number or a UK number. Okay, so here we are now. So you are going to do something. All right, so if you need a UK number or a US number, you can actually purchase online. But then if you don't know how to go about that and you want me to do that for you, you can actually click on the WhatsApp link that is in the description button so that you can have access to our platform. There you can actually send me a message, any of the admin, and then I'll get you a UK or a US number. All right, press on this sign up. If you don't have an account, click on sign up. So I don't have an account yet, so let me just click on sign up. All right, so I'm going to sign up with my full name. Okay, then I'm going to put my UK number. Okay. All right, so I'm going to input the referral code here. Okay, so I'm going to drop the referral code down in the comment section as well, and I'm also going to drop the referral code in the description also, so that you guys can have it and then have your bonus claim, because there is always a bonus attached to every code. Okay, so to claim your own code, make sure you use the referral code. I will drop it in the comment section and I'll also drop it in the description. Okay, so I'm going to put the referral code now. All right, so I'm going to click on I agree to the test, to the terms and conditions. Okay, so I already click on that. So all right, so I'm going to click on sign up. Okay, sign up. Okay, let's wait for it. So it said please check for the verification code sent to you to complete your sign up. Okay, you can see this is the verification code sent to me. Okay, so you can see I can just click on copy. I'll just paste the code here. All right, finish up. Good. So sign up successful. So now I'm going to log in. Okay, I'm going to log in back to my number. All right, so I'm going to click on sign in. All right, here we are now, guys. You can see this is the interface of this very application and this update. Okay, so now you can see that it is reading time, and now I'm having a total point. Okay, so sorry, you can see that I'm also having a total point here, total point of 100. Okay, that was the point I actually got from using a referral code. So do well to use the referral code in the description so that you too can actually have this 100 pointers. In this interface, you can see that it's actually reading in time, in minutes, meaning that this thing is time based. Okay, so you can see new bounties for you, digital behavior signals, up to 24 points per day. 24 points per day. Okay, so you can see it's showing inactive. What you are going to be doing here, you are going to turn on this inactive, you are going to make it active. Okay, so that you will be able to be claiming, your 24 points per day. Okay, it will be claiming by itself for you. So I'm going to click on this. So you can see we track which apps you use, when you use them, and some signals of what you do inside them, which helps us understand general habits across groups never tied to you personally. So I'm going to click on yes. Next, Reverb needs your consent to use the accessibility service. So I'm going to click on accept. All right, so they are showing me something here. What I'm going to click on the moment I actually check on my settings, my phone settings. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So master it. Okay, so you click on that downloaded app, inside your accessibility. Okay, you're going to click on use live by initiative and then allow. So once again, turn it on, then toggle that on also, and also click on allow. All right, so I click on start. All right, so here am I. So you can see live, you can see this is it, right? You can see this is it, live hive accessibility service. So I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to toggle it on. So you're going to click on allow. All right, so that's actually how we go about that. So let's go back to so we're going back to that. Okay, so here we are. You can see now saying it's now active. You can see it here. So it's now active. Okay, so now I'm going to be having 24 points per day just for this single step. Meanwhile, this is not all. So we're going to the next one, which is the app activity trends. Okay, this one also is showing inactive, and it gives up to 12 points per day. All right, so I'm going to click it on. So we track which app you use. Okay, I'm going to click on next. So let's see what this is all about as well. So you can see here, so I'm told to toggle on this reverb and then give it an access for app usage. All right, so you are going to make it allowed. Very good. So I'm going to click on start now. So it's going to take me there. All right, so I'm going to slide down. Just wait for it. Okay, so you can see here, this is the Reverb application. So you're going to click on the Reverb and then you are going to allow access, usage access. Okay, so now go back. All right, you can see that it's been activated as well. Okay, you can see this has already been activated. The next one is places you visit. Now this is where it gets somehow, you are going to be required to drop a location. You are going to be required to turn on your location for this aspect, which I am not gonna do because my location is not actually what do I mean? Which I'm not gonna do because which I'm not going to do for some reason, which I am not going to. So it's asking me to turn on my location. This particular one will actually demand me to turn on my location, which I'm not going to do. All right, so it's just a smart way of doing things. So I'm not going to go over to this. I'm not going to turn on this. So I'm not going for this particular one because the moment you turn on your location, your device is going to reveal your location. Okay, so now so if you could see, all right, so if you could see this next one, it said let's get to know you better. So on this aspect, you are going to be getting 100 points. All right, for just 7 questions in 1 minute. This is just like a survey. Okay, so let me just click it and see what they have for me. Okay, so let's get to know you better. Okay, survey monkey, 1 minute, 100 points. Answer a few questions about yourself to help us personalize your experience. It takes less than 2 minutes and unlock extra points. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on start. All right, okay, all right, let's get to know you better. Answer a few questions and unlock bonus points. It takes at least 2 minutes. No essay, just taps, let's go. So I'm going to click on next. All right, so in this aspect, how old are you? I'm going to click on the best age. So I'm going to click on this. Many of our students who are actually into online survey, they already know how this works. Okay, so they don't have issue with that. But if you want to be among our students, you can actually join through the WhatsApp link that is in the description button, in the description below, and then type that you want to be part of the survey platform guide. Okay, all right, so what's your gender? I'm going to click on female. Okay, this is going to be based on the profile you are using. Okay, so what's your current residence? What's your country residence? So I'm going to click on. All right, okay. All right, so what's your employment status? I'm going to click on this. So what is your marital status? Okay, all right, so what is your approximate average annual household income in US dollars? Okay, so I'm going to click on this. All right, so I'm going to click on next. The next thing I'm going to click on, so you can cross check to check on whatsoever you actually picked. Okay, so before you click on next. All right, let's get to know you better. Done. You can see now your bonus points are on the way. Thank you. So I'm going to click on done. No time. Okay. Okay, so here we are now. So I'm told to click to claim it. So I'm going to click on it. So I'm going to claim it now. Okay, so I already answered it. So all I'm going to do is just to claim this my 100 points. something went wrong. Try again. So what went wrong? All right, so it still says something wrong as you try again. Okay, but then you could see here that this might 100 points. Now I'm going to go to my profile, so head over to this profile. Let's see if it's still on 100 points to be sure. Okay, so this is my profile now, so you can see it's showing total of 200 points, meaning that this actually worked, but it's just the this actually, maybe it's just the application, something the system software is trying to, get a rebuild on that. But then my bonus has actually been claimed. Okay, you can see here this total of 200 points. So now what is happening here is that I've already activated the cool thing that will actually be getting me points per day. Okay, that's going to make me, qualify for the minimum withdrawal. All right, so the moment these tools are actually doing the work, and most of the time I will actually be getting some little few survey tips as well to answer to get some point just like this. Okay, so that's actually how it works. And then once you're eligible, once you'll be able to make up to 1,500 points, you are eligible to withdraw via your gift card or your PayPal. All right, so if you found this update helpful enough, do well to drop a like, share, and then subscribe, and do well to turn on the notification bell so that you can get every of our new updates as they come. All right, see you guys later. Bye.